If you want 3 delicious, nutritious, healthy vegan sandwich ideas, you have definitely come to the right video.
Welcome, friends. It's Bob and Fran, and today mostly Fran, your healthy lifestyle advocates, authors, and plant-based vegan foodies. Fran, you're in charge. What's the first of our 3 easy sandwich recipes?
Okay, the first one we call Easy Eggless Egg Salad. It consists of 1 package of extra firm organic tofu, which is drained and crumbled. What I do is I just break it up with my hands and put it in a bowl. To this I add some chopped organic celery and a low-fat vegan mayo, and you'll get the recipe at the end of this video, to which I've added some mustard, salt or celery salt. Mix those ingredients together and you will have a delicious eggless egg salad. I serve it on whole wheat bread or in a wrap with lettuce and tomato. Now, I don't tell you how much mustard or salt to put in. That's up to you, and celery. You'll decide as you taste it. You'll see what you like. But it's really, really good. The next one is...
By the way, I love that egg salad.
I know, it
tastes like eggs.
Tastes like eggs, right. The next one is called the No-tuna salad. And as you guessed, there is no tuna in this salad. Instead, you use 1 can of chickpeas, which you drain and rinse real well. Now, you can mash up the chickpeas in a bowl with a fork or a potato masher, and then add the rest of the ingredients. Or I have found what I like to do even better is to put the chickpeas in a food processor and add the following ingredients and then just pulse it till it's mixed up real nicely. So the other ingredients to which you add to the chickpeas are 3 tablespoons of tahini, 3 tablespoons of that vegan low-fat mayo that you'll get the recipe for, 1 teaspoon of Dijon mustard, 1 tablespoon of pure maple syrup, 1/4 cup of diced celery, 1 teaspoon of capers, which are drained and chopped, and a pinch of sea salt and black pepper. Again, you could mash up the chickpeas and add the other ingredients, or you can put all the ingredients in the food processor and just process it slightly till it's mixed together real well. You can serve this on a whole wheat toast, a soft roll, or an English muffin with lettuce and tomato, and you won't miss the tuna.
Oh my gosh, I love this recipe.
You love everything.
I know.
And the third one is TLT sandwich. No, I didn't say it wrong. TLT. It's our version of the classic BLT, but it tastes better and it's so much healthier. It consists of a package of tempeh, which is fermented soy. If you've never tried it, it's really good. You can buy it usually in the supermarket in the produce section. And then you make a marinade of 1 tablespoon of tamari, 1 tablespoon of maple syrup, a 1/2 teaspoon of smoked paprika, 2 teaspoons of liquid smoke, and a 1/2 teaspoon of ground cumin. So I mix all the ingredients except the tempeh in a bowl, and I slice the tempeh to the desired thickness and marinate it in this sauce for several hours or even overnight. Then when you're ready to cook what you want for sandwiches, you heat the slices on both sides in a non-stick pan and serve that on toast with the low-fat vegan mayo, lettuce, and tomato. Now, you can keep the tempeh that you haven't used in the fridge, or you could even freeze it for another time. So here is the vegan mayo recipe that we've been talking about, and I promised you. It's very simple. It's made in a blender. You take 1 package of silken tofu. I like to use the soft silken tofu. Drain it, put it into the blender to which you add 1 tablespoon of maple syrup, 1 tablespoon of red wine vinegar, 1 tablespoon of Dijon mustard, and 1/4 teaspoon of sea salt. You blend this all together in the blender or a food processor, but blender is probably easier. Store in your refrigerator for about 2 weeks. It'll last. And now, I'm getting hungry.
Me too.
I think we have to go have a sandwich.
That sounds great. But before we do, I want to remind you, friends, that you can find all these recipes written out on our website under the Power of Food tab. And the website is www.bobandfran.com/recipes. You can see the link in the description below. Also, we'd like to know if you tried these recipes, so please comment on them in the comments section. And don't forget to like this video, subscribe, get notified of our new videos, and I think this one would be a really good video to share with others who are more careful about what they eat. So, bon appetit, and we look forward to seeing you again very soon. Bye for now.
Bob and I are very concerned about the dangerous chemicals in our drinking water and how they can ruin our health. So for several years, we've been using this convenient and economical AquaTrue tabletop reverse osmosis system in our kitchen to transform our tap water into filtered and purified water. No installation or plumbing is needed, and the result is pure, delicious water. So, we urge you to click on the AquaTrue link in the description below and see for yourself how this can add so much to your healthy lifestyle and longevity. Please, invest in your health now.